In a world driven by innovation, every great story begins with a vision that inspires and empowers. At Norton Abrasives India, we've turned that vision into reality, crafting a legacy of excellence since 1941. From our humble beginnings, Norton has grown into a trusted partner across industries, marked by significant milestones in technology and quality. Our commitment to innovation has set benchmarks that redefine standards, ensuring that we not only meet but exceed the expectations of our customers. With a dedicated workforce of passionate individuals, we embody a culture of collaboration and commitment. Each employee is a vital part of our story, driving us forward with their expertise and creativity. Our advanced manufacturing facilities across India produce a diverse range of products designed to meet the evolving needs of our customers. From construction to automotive, we transform surfaces and beyond. Norton Abrasives is renowned for unmatched quality and high performance. Our comprehensive product range empowers industries to achieve the highest standards, ensuring every project is a success. Our mission is not just to lead the market, but to inspire and uplift our communities. Guided by our vision of a sustainable future, we are committed to responsible practices that protect our planet while driving progress. Together, we are transforming the future of abrasives, where every grit tells a story of dedication, innovation, and resilience. Norton Abrasives India. Let's build a better tomorrow together.